Kumsi benta ke Rakhe yak si burom nonghikai ka tnad pule dangle ke Sorkar Jylla ka lapan long ke program ha Auditorium Hall Meghalaya Bharat Skau angai hasilong. Menteri Tnad Pule ke Sorkar Jylla ba lakmen ramboy lapan pau ke jingai kublai songo ya nonghikai nak benta ka jingtre sistem jengki ha ka ban ai ke jingnang jingtep ski khna pule lengba ki online class hapreng ka klam COVID-19 wat harangkat ke jingye. Kiwe ki jingye ba kum nonghikai ki mar ki kentup ya ka jingsiu ka jingmam pelai biang por ya ka tulop bat menteri loong ba de ke Sorkar MDA ke blok persang bonara e ka rukom aji kai ka biang pura bat kum juru ke jingkersan ki nonghikai. Ulapun pau ke jingsong keman babun ki nonghikai kilawan sakmat bansim injek eda COVID-19 bat penkre ban penyai be yaranti ya kerukom ke bajudan haswa ka klam COVID-19 hak jelang penko borom ya bun ngut ki nonghikai daw kongsan kumju daw additional chief secretary ke Tnad Pule ba DP Walang secretary and director of school education and literacy UACH marak bat kwe.
This challenge is not new, and this challenge will not go away very soon. But as a government, it is our endeavor to see step by step what needs to be done and how to improve or the quality of education, how to improve the working condition of our teachers, and how to improve the environment where students study. It is a very, very challenging job. But as a government, we have to find ways and means how to resolve the issues. And as I used to say that education is a very dynamic, and the department itself have to work to innovate itself, how it is working, to see that the policy of the government, to see that new teaching method reach the teachers so that they could disseminate it to the student. I'm happy today to see that Education Department through MSIP, that they are trying to recognize the schools, trying to recognize the person who are innovative, to see that how to benefit the student more.